Give attention and see. This is the topic controlling. Controlling is a very important part in our daily life, and controlling is a very important process also. We can say controlling is a very important part in our business environment and principle of function of management also. Without controlling, we can't able to do any work in the organization, and we have to read meaning of controlling, nature of controlling, importance of controlling, relation between planning and controlling, and next controlling process. These all things we have to discuss in this topic. So now in front of you there is I am showing you introduction. So we have to discuss about the introduction of controlling. Controlling is a very important managerial function. कंट्रोलिंग हमारा सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है मैनेजर का एक. अगर कोई संस्था का एक डायरेक्टर है, मैनेजर है, कोऑर्डिनेटर है, तो वो संस्था को चलाता है, तो चलाने के लिए सबसे प्रमुख भूमिका है कंट्रोल करना. सो कंट्रोलिंग इज़ अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट मैनेजरियल फंक्शन. With the help of that only we can able to calculate, otherwise control any organization. It is concerned with taking necessary measures on preservative actions to ensure achievement of the organizational goal. हम किसी भी संस्था में अगर हम कार्यरत होते हैं तो हमारा एक गोल होता है कि हम इस गोल को प्राप्त करें. एम, उद्देश्य. जैसे अगर आप किसी संस्था में काम करते हैं या संस्था को चलाते हैं तो आपका प्रमुख उद्देश्य होता है कि संस्था का प्रोडक्ट बाज़ार में सबसे वन हो, संस्था का नाम बाज़ार में नंबर 1 हो और ये बाज़ार में नंबर 1 पोजीशन पे बनी रहे और इसका प्रॉफिट भी क्या हो, बाज़ार में सबसे अधिक रहे और इसके कस्टमर्स भी अधिक हों. ये हमारा एम होता है. एक लक्ष्य बना के हम बाज़ार में अपनी कंपनी के प्रोडक्ट को लॉन्च करते हैं और हम कंपनी में काम करते हैं. अगर हम इस प्रोसेस पे काम करते हैं तो ये हमारा अचीवमेंट होता है. अचीवमेंट प्राप्त करने के लिए हम संस्था में कार्यरत होते हैं. सो वंस अगेन लिसन द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग. कंट्रोलिंग इज़ अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट मैनेजरियल फंक्शन. It is concerned with taking necessary measures or preventive action to ensure achievement of organizational goal. With the help of controlling, we can ensure our future plan and what we want to achieve with the controlling process and what we want to achieve of the organizational goal. These all things are very important for the controlling process. And now we have to discuss about the meaning of controlling. So in front of you, meaning of controlling is written. According to that, we are going to discuss meaning of controlling. Controlling function can be defined as comparison of actual performance with the planned performance. We can say controlling function can be defined as comparison of actual performance with the planned performance. If there is any difference or deactivation, then filling the reason for such different and taking consecutive measures or action to stop those regions so that in the future there is a match between actual and planned performance. So dear students, we can able to know these all things with the help of controlling. Once again listen meaning of controlling. Controlling function can be defined as comparison of actual performance with the planned performance. If there is any difference or deactivation or deviation, then finding the reason for such difference and taking corrective measure or action to stop those reasons so that in future there is a match between actual and planned performance. Okay, this is the things. But now we have to think about the definition of different authors. अब हम कुछ डेफिनेशन पढ़ेंगे अनेक जैसे ऑथर्स के अनुसार। तो आपको पहला दिया जा रहा है टेरी एंड फ्रैंकलिन के अनुसार। टेरी एंड फ्रैंकलिन had given definition of controlling. Controlling is the determining what is being accomplished, that is a evaluation the performance and in necessary apply corrective measures so that performance take place according to plans. It is explained by Terry and Franklin. Terry and Franklin had told controlling is the very important part of our organization. With the help of that, we can able to evaluate what we need to necessary to apply. We have to able to correct it and measure so the performance take place according to the plans. These all things we are managing with the help of controlling. It should be explained by the Terry and Franklin. Okay, now Terry and Franklin. After that, next one is Henry Fayol. According to Henry Fayol, we have to discuss what is the meaning of controlling. Then controlling consists of verifying whether everything occurs in conformity with the plans adopted, the industry used and the principle established. It has for its object to point out weakness and errors in the order of respectify them and prevent recurrence. It is explained by Henry Fayol. Once again listen what Henry Fayol has explained. Controlling consists in the verifying whether everything occur in conformity with the plans adopted, the industrial issued and the principle established. It has for its object to point out weakness and errors in order to rectify them and prevent recurrence. It is explained by Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol is a very brilliant and fine author. He had explained 14 principles of management, what we are reading nowadays. And in future also we have to follow these rules and regulations, because Henry Fayol is a very important part of our economy and BST. Okay, next one is explained by Cones and O'Donnell. What he had explained: coordination is a measurement and correction of the performance of the subordinate to make sure that the enterprise's objectives and plan divided to attain them are being accomplished. Okay, that one is explained by O'Donnell. He is also very fine author and made the controlling process. So controlling is a very important topic. Now Ricky W. Giffen is there. What he had explained, we have to discuss with the help of this topic. He told controlling function lead to goal achievement. An organization without effective control is not likely to reach its goal. He told without controlling we can't able to get achievement, and effective control is a very important part to achieve our goal and success. So these are the things. It is a very important topic of your subject, and these are the things. Now come on the topic, controlling is not a last function. Once again listen, controlling is not a last function of management, but it is the function which brings back the management cycle to planning. Once again listen, controlling is not a last function. What I am explaining now is a very important topic. Please dear students, you have to discuss and listen it silently. After that you have to discuss and you have to learn. If any confusion you are getting, once again you have to listen. Controlling is not the least function of management, but it is the function which bringing back the management cycle to planning. Okay, now we are discussing about the scope. Controlling is a very wide in scope, as it does not end only by comparing the actual performance with planned performance, but it tries to find reason and solution for such problem also. Once again listen, what is the scope of controlling? Controlling is a very wide in scope, as it does not end only by comparing the actual performance with planned performance, but it tries to find the reason and solution for such problem also. We can say, for example, if the plant output 1000 units, अगर हमने प्लान बनाया कि हमें आउटपुट करना है 1000 यूनिट एंड एक्चुअल आउटपुट 800 यूनिट्स, और एक्चुअल क्या हो गया 800 यूनिट ही हमने बनाया, द कंट्रोलिंग फंक्शन विल लुक द रीजन ऑफ दिस डिविडेशन. अब कंट्रोलिंग प्रोसेस इस फंक्शन को देखेगी कि 1000 अगर हमें बनाना था और हमने 800 बनाया, तो क्या रीजन था इसका. If the reason is a fault in machinery or impressive the workers, then contributive of measure or taken the industrial maintenance department to keep regular check in the machinery, and if it is due to efficiency of worker, then they are sent to training to their efficiency can be improved. आपको कहा गया, कंट्रोलिंग का एक साधारण सा एग्जाम्पल दिया जा रहा है. अगर हमने एक टारगेट बना के काम किया कि हमें आज 1000 प्रोडक्ट बनाना है और हमने 800 ही प्रोडक्ट बना पाया, तो कंट्रोलिंग के अंतर्गत हम इसे जांच करेंगे कि 200 प्रोडक्ट जो हमारा कम बना, इसका क्या कारण था. इसके दो प्रमुख कारण हो सकते थे. पहला ये हो सकता है कि मशीन हमारी अच्छी ना चल रही हो, मशीन में टेक्निकल फॉल्ट्स हों, तो तुरंत हम मशीन को चेक करेंगे, टेक्निकल फॉल्ट्स को दूर करेंगे. दूसरी चीज़ हो सकता हो हमारे मज़दूर ट्रेंड ना हो या मज़दूरों की कमी हो, तो तुरंत हम मज़दूरों को ट्रेनिंग देंगे जिससे हमारा प्रोडक्शन बढ़ जाए, या हम मज़दूरों की संख्या को बढ़ा लेंगे. ओनली 2 थिंग्स वी आर गेटिंग हियर. वी कैन से देयर आर 2 एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग फंक्शन. फर्स्ट स्टैटिक कंट्रोल एंड सेकंड ऑपरेशनल कंट्रोल. दूसरा है, एक प्लान के अंतर्गत हमें काम करना चाहिए था, दूसरा ऑपरेशन सही होना चाहिए था, ऑपरेशनल कंट्रोल. इफ बोथ कंट्रोल्स आर वेरी गुड इन द कंपनी, देन वी कैन एबल टू डू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. अगर हमारा स्ट्रेटेजिक कंट्रोल मतलब प्लान के अंतर्गत कोई काम होता है, नीति के अनुसार काम होता है, अगर हमने माना है कि 100 प्रोडक्ट आज बनाना है, तो आप 120 बना लोगे, 20 एक्स्ट्रा ही चलेगा अगर हम रूल रेगुलेशन को फॉलो करेंगे तो. ओके. एंड ऑपरेशनल क्या होता है? ऑपरेशनल एक्सेप्ट रिफर द फोर्सेस ऑफ मैनेजरियल एंड अदर एक्टिविटीज़ इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन that is find out whether and mismatch to do the faults in the actions or activities. In both the acceptance of managers try to find out the reason of mismatch and take the corrective measure. In operational we have to search what is the mistake we are doing in the organization. We have to search and solve it, and next time we don't make these types of fault, we have to discuss about it. So now dear students, I had explained you today about the controlling, and this is the important part of the controlling. It is the thing. Now you all